Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your Arabic teacher with you here, and if you are not a native speaker of English, you have to learn its grammar that helps you to convey your message thoughts correctly. As you speak 20 to 30% of English words in your daily life, but to put them in order, you have to learn its grammar and tenses. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about present simple tense. Present simple or indefinite tense used to convey or used to tell us daily routine. It is used to tell us introduction of someone or something, and it is also used to tell us about the habits of somebody. Whenever you learn present simple or indefinite tense, you must remember two things. The first thing is helping verb of the tense. And the other thing is the main verb form that is used in the tense. So for present simple tense, we have here do and does. Does the singular form of that verb as helping verb in this tense, and we always use here present form or first form of that verb. And if we make a sentence of that tense like I eat an apple, a very simple sentence, I eat an apple. This is what the structure of present simple tense. First of all, you have to add subject I or any subject you choose. Then you have to add here first form of the verb, that is eat. And here an apple works an object in a sentence. So I eat an apple, that means मैं सेब खाता हूँ. And this is what a positive sentence. And if you want to make it negative, what you have to do, you have to have the help of its helping verbs do and does. As I is a first person pronoun, we always use here do or plural form of the verb. It becomes I do not or don't. I do not eat an apple. This is what a negative sentence. And if you want to make it interrogative, it becomes, you have to add helping verb in first of the sentence, in the beginning of the sentence, to make it interrogative. Do I eat an apple? I will translate all these sentences at the end. Let me jot down all these sentences here. And if you want to make it interrogative negative, that's interrogative. And if you want to make it interrogative negative, what you have to do, you have to add the helping verb in the beginning. Then do I not, this is an adverb, not, to make interrogative negative, eat, first form of the verb, an apple. This is how you do in interrogative negative sentence. So this becomes I eat an apple, मैं सेब खाता हूँ. I do not eat an apple, मैं सेब नहीं खाता. Do I eat an apple? As it is an interrogative, that becomes क्या मैं सेब खाता हूँ. And interrogative negative, do I not eat an apple? क्या मैं सेब नहीं खाता. Like that, if we add verb go, I go to school, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. I do not go to school, मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ. Do I go to school? क्या मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ? Do I not go to school? क्या मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ? Sequence wise, if we make positive in negative, interrogative negative. Now let me add here all the pronouns as a subject, like I, we, first person singular, first person plural. You, this is singular and plural both. He, used for masculine gender. She, used for feminine gender. It and they. Let me add here singular noun and plural noun as well, like boy and boys. Now if we choose one of the verb, how to make sentences with these as positive, is it becomes like I eat. You may add any of the object here. I eat food. I eat apple. Okay. I eat This is what first person pronoun. That's why you have to add here plural verb form I eat. As it is already a plural, you have to here add again plural verb. Then here you eat. Now this is, see, he, she, and it, these three pronouns are singular, so you have to add here singular verb with s. It becomes he eats, she eats, and it eats. Remember one thing, to know whether the verb is singular or plural, just remember a singular verb always ends at is. Here I am just going to write some examples. Like if I say is a singular verb, ends at s. Was is a singular verb, ends at s. Has is a singular verb, again ends at s. If I say eats, using in present simple, ends at s. It is a singular verb. So whenever you find a singular subject, you have to add a singular verb with it to agree the subject to the verb. So here, he eats, she eats, and it eats. Now they is plural again, so they becomes they eat. Now boy is a noun but singular, so you have to add here singular verb. So again you will add here boy eats. Boys is a plural noun, so you have to add here plural verb like boy eat. You may add any of the objects as I told you before. I eat an apple. We eat an apple. You eat an apple. He eats an apple. She eats an apple. It eats something. Or apple if it's an animal. They eat apples. Boy eats an apple. Boys eat apples or anything. So while we make its negative, remember I told you do is a plural verb and does is a singular verb. So with all these singular subjects you have to add does. For negative of this sentence, I do not eat an apple. We do not eat. You do not eat. He, as it is singular, you have to add here does. He does not eat. While you add does here, you have to remove its s that is added in the eats. He does not eat. She does not eat. It does not eat. They do not, as there is a plural, you will not add does here because that is singular. So you have to agree verb with the subject, so that becomes they do not eat. Boy as singular does not eat. Boys do not eat. And while you make it interrogative, do I eat? Do we eat? Do you eat? Does he eat? Does she eat? Does it eat? Or all the sentences will be done like this. Remember, you have to add question mark in the end of interrogative sentences. Here is an exercise for you all. Here are a few sentences on this board like she, this is a blank, dash, me. The verb is call. The second is they, football. The verb is play. We, a letter. The sentence will be written in negative, not right. Now the fourth one, Raza, us. Again sentence will be in negative, not teach. And the last one, the sentence will be in interrogative, Aisha, sorry, it's Alisha, read. Now the verbs are given here, call, play, not write, becomes negative, not teach, again negative, and read. It's an interrogative. So how it becomes or how it will be, she dash or she, there's a blank, she, as it is singular, so you have to add here singular verb, and I told you that a singular verb must take s with it. So here you will add she calls me. Well done. And here it is verb play, and the subject is plural they. So you have to add here play. They play. You will not add s here because it is plural. Then we, again a plural, but you have to make it a negative. So to make negatives you have to add here helping verbs do and does. We is plural, so you have to add here do. We do not write. We do not write a letter. Again, Raza, a single name, a single noun, or you may call a singular noun. Raza not teach. Singular noun, you have to add here does. Raza does not teach us. Raza does not teach us. Then if it is interrogative, you have to add here helping verb in the beginning of sentence. Like Alicia is singular, you have to add here does Alicia read. This is how you make present simple tense. She calls me, वो मुझे बुलाती है. They play football, वो फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. We do not write a letter, हम खत नहीं लिखते. Raza does not teach us, रजा हमें नहीं पढ़ाता. Does Alisha read, क्या अलीशा पढ़ती है? Here is an exercise for you. Solve it and comment it in comment box of this video. So the exercise is, the subjects are given here: I, he, they, she, Aliza, and my brothers. They are either singular or plural. You have to add here this phrase, work in a factory. For example, if I say subject you, so that becomes you work in a factory. So as it is, you have to make sentences of all these subjects and comment these answers in the comment box. We will be with you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.